Alright guys, gonna go ahead and take you through my chapter 3 pronunciations here. Here's my first word, and it is going to be pronounced electrocauterization. Electrocauterization. Definition is using electricity to destroy tissue by burning it. Once again, electrocauterization. Alright guys, the next word is going to be subcutaneous. Subcutaneous. And that is going to be pertaining to beneath the skin. Subcutaneous. Next word is going to be nodule. Nodule. And that is going to be a solid mass that extends deeper into the skin. Nodule. Next word we have is excoriation. Excoriation. And the definition of that is a scratch. Excoriation. Okay, the next word, which has the definition of baldness, is going to be alopecia. Alopecia. And once again, is going to be alopecia. Okay, the next word here is going to be albinism. Albinism. A lack of pigment in the skin causing patient to look white. Albinism. Next word here is going to be ichthyosis. Ichthyosis. Condition in the skin that is dry and scaly, resembling fish scales. Ichthyosis. Next word here, which means skin disease, is going to be dermopathy. 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 Next word here, pertaining to through the skin, and this word is going to be pronounced transdermal. 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 Final word here, which means the removal of a nail, is going to be onychotomy. 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 Alright guys, that's really all I have to say on this today. Hope it's been informative, and I will talk to you guys next time.